First of all, I want to say what you guys are doing for the students in Pakistan is incredible, and directly and indirectly you're doing something for the future of Pakistan. So thank you. How many of you are students today? Good job. I think maybe I'll just speak a little bit about my own personal relationship with education. University is it's pretty scary, to be honest. I was terrified when I decided to do what I wanted to do. I actually went to a high school where I studied performing arts. So the arts has been something that's been part of my life forever. But then when it came time for higher education at university, typically for somebody who's been living in Canada, having basic parents, it's usually doctor, lawyer, engineer, whatever, typical things that we all go into. And I felt that, that's kind of the safe place to go. And so I applied for my bachelor's in business, and I went to a business school for some time. And there's a reason I'm telling you all this. You don't really know who you are until you go to university, until you really just dive in to higher education. I went to business school, I was pretty good at it. But there came a time when there was something inside me that was not being fulfilled. And no matter what classes I took, marketing, business management, finance, there was something inside that kept me going onto the stage. So the question I pose to you guys is, are you going to listen to that one thing inside you saying, this is where I want to go? And the reason I'm telling you this is because after 2 years of studying business, I made a switch. And trust me, that switch was not easy, making that phone call to my father. I don't know how many of you know my father, but giving him a call is not the easiest thing to do sometimes. And so I told him, Baba, I want to switch to drama. And I'm telling you, that was probably the best decision I've ever made. Why? Because the second I started going to school and I felt this drive, this passion inside me that was being fulfilled, my entire life changed. So I think what these guys are doing, what RPT is doing for you guys is incredible. And I think you need to decide what it is you want to do, whether it be, they have so many specialized programs that you're not going to see anywhere else in the country. You have to decide whether you want to take that risk, whether you want to take that plunge. Because for me, being an actor, I could have just tried and gone straight into my professional life. Going to university, having a proper platform, helped me in ways that even I didn't imagine once I got to actually work. I finished my degree. I worked in Canada for 2 years. I came to Pakistan just to try my luck, and my life has changed. And that's only because of education, nothing else. So whether you educate yourself in psychology, in dance, in art, music, whatever it might be, take that plunge. Because you're not going to find out who you are without it. I think that's just the 2 cents that I can give to you guys from my own personal experience with education. It's not easy, but it's always worth it in the end. So thank you.